驻台的时节，还有来自各国的艺术表演团体，在场各位嘉宾、各位亲爱的朋友，大家晚安，大家好。
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
台南国际民俗艺术节从1996年开始，每2年一次，今年刚好第10届第20年。
Nanjing International Folklore Festival is a biannual event that started from 1996, and this year, 2016, marks its 20th anniversary.
我们成功邀请了44个国家，129个团体来到台南。
We have invited 129 performing groups from 44 countries all over the world to Taiwan.
我们感谢各国代表团的盛情参与，也感谢全体市民的大力支持。
Our gratitude goes to all the performing groups from all over the world, and also thank you all the citizens of Taiwan for your great support.
每一年，每一个表演的团体都是该国最具代表性的艺术家。
Every year, it is such a great honor for us to have invited iconic performing groups to come to Thailand to perform.
他们的表演都非常非常精彩。
Their performances are amazing.
不管是艺术彩街，又或者是定点表演，甚至深入社区，可以说吸引全体市民的感动、跟支持、跟掌声。
Whether it's on the street or performing at auditoriums, or sometimes those performing groups even go to the countryside or local communities to perform. They really win the heart of Thailand people.
我们每一年的开幕赛、开幕的表演，也都是在吸引南影艺都区。
And every single year, we're having our opening performance and also opening ceremony here in Xinyi.
今年不同的是，外面下雨。
It's raining outside. That's the only difference from previous years.
所以我们不得不有一个应变计划，然后在西宁的文化中心来做表演。
So that's why we moved the entire opening ceremony here in this auditorium.
因此可能没有办法容纳像以往那么多的市民参加，然后表演的时间也没有办法像以往7点半准时开始。这一点我跟大家表示抱歉之意。
And apologize that the auditorium cannot accommodate so many people like we did outside of the auditorium, and we have to delay the opening performance a little bit. I'm sorry for that.
但是我可以跟大家保证，表演的精彩度绝对一点都不会减少。
But I guarantee you, the performance will be amazing.
我希望大家能够现在就给他们一个热烈的掌声，鼓舞一下他们。
Give them a big round of applause, even before we begin.
台南市举办国际民俗艺术节有3个目的。第一个目的呢，就是希望丰富台南市文化古都的内涵。
There are actually 3 objectives for us to hold the festival. One is to enrich the cultural essence in this historic city of Thailand.
第二个目的是希望以艺术文化会友，跟世界各国做朋友。
And we also like to make friends through performances and through arts.
第3个是希望用国际上的民俗艺术表演活动，丰富我们台南市市民的生活。
And also thirdly, we would like to have the people here in Tainan can enjoy their life better.
这几年来可以说一年比一年精彩。
And each and every year, it is getting even better.
我非常感谢今年来自15个国家26个团体的参与，感谢你们。
I would like to extend my most cordial welcome and gratitude to 26 groups from 15 countries.
祝福每一场表演都非常顺利，非常圆满，也非常成功。
I wish every show every success.
尤其是今天晚上，大家都能够有一个非常愉快的夜晚。
I wish everyone have fun tonight.
谢谢大家，谢谢。
Thank you so much. Thank you to Mayor Live.
Thank you. 谢谢。哦，very good, very good. 在外面就可以看了。
谢谢市长。